Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. I actually did sleep on Floki. I didn't know Floki was doing something crazy, and until I didn't hear from most of the members from my Discord and shouting, "Hey, what is happening to Floki?" And Floki literally has already killed a zero. As far as I can look right now. So we went from the bottom here, and now it's up 685%, which is actually pretty amazing. Now, if you have missed Pepe, okay, which was pumping, if you have missed Bonk, if you have missed Floki, Shib, and Dodge, there is one coin that I'm feeling very generous today based on my research. And if you have $1,000, and I'm pretty sure if you're new, you might be thinking, all right, let's just talk about $150. Where should you put $150? Well, I do have one coin which I'm going to tell you for absolutely free. Before that, I just want to tell you that I have been telling people through the messages a lot, right? So I've been able to tell some of the people that right, get chib, right, or something like that. So if you notice here, I can actually show you one of the message from the Twitter as well. And yeah, this guy was asking me previously, and I told him that yes, I believe SHIB is down, buy at 900, and this time SHIB is trading at 2200 at the moment. Okay, on the Discord as well, I've been giving Luna Classic, Jasmine, and stuff like that. All you need to do is go down here and click on the Discord link on the description. Once you enter Discord, click on my name and send me a message. So basically, all you have to do is come on the announcement here. On the announcement, you click my name and DM me. And you have to do this as quick as you hear because I don't know when that coin is going to move. It's the only coin that is literally down and hasn't moved. And that's pretty much it. So back to Floki, because this is the main video. Let's actually do some TA and let's see what is going on. So on the 4-hour time frame, let's see if there's anything else that we need to see with Floki. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Maybe the moon is the limit for this coin. Maybe we may see even more pushes to the upside or not. It's on a free run, man. All I can say is actually went up like this and made a flag, and then you went to the technical target. Let's actually check if there's any 1 hour flag printing in. Okay, at least I do have a little bit of a hint on where you are going to go, at least in the short term, if not in the long term. So from there to there, there's one more flag that you have broken up, and we are looking for another push up to 16,500. So basically, there is another big push of 33-34%, at least in the short term, coming in. So you don't want to come below the flag, which is 8295, or even I may say the good stop loss may be 10,117. If you do come down to 10,000 here, I think you're going to start to make some, invalidation of patterns. But I'm still thinking that since Bitcoin is sideways right now, we still may see some altcoins going up, especially the one that I'm about to tell you for totally free. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.